Hello guys! Welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a totally beginner. But before we start, let me explain what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is business model where you promote a company's products or services as an affiliate. You get a unique link to share, and when people purchase through your link, you earn a commission. When I explained, let's start. The first step is choosing a niche. A niche is a specific topic or area like health and fitness, finance, gardening, and more. The most popular niches on Pinterest are home decor, fitness, and health and art. When you choose a niche, we can move to the next step. Step number 2, creating a Pinterest business account. We want to create a business account because a business account has more options like analytics. First, go on Pinterest and click on Sign Up, then scroll down and click on Create a free business account. When you click that, you will be on this page. Enter your informations and click Create Account, and you will have your business account. When you created your account, you need a name. You can enter your name, or you can simply ask ChatGPT to do that for you. Step number 3, account optimization. We need to optimize our profile because we will have more chances to get more traffic. The more traffic means more chances to make money. First, you need to add a profile and cover photo that is related to your niche. After you added profile and cover picture, you need to add a description. Make sure that description is also related to your niche. You can also ask ChatGPT to write a description for you. When we optimized our profile, let's move to the next step. Step number 4, uploading pins. If you are a beginner, it is most likely that you don't know how to create videos, but don't worry. I will show you another way. You will upload videos from TikTok on your Pinterest profile. First, go on TikTok and search for videos in your niche, then copy link of that video and go on the website. Snap tick and paste link from TikTok and click download. When you downloaded video, go on Pinterest and upload that video. When you are uploading video, make sure to add title, description, and credit to the owner of a video. Step number 5, we came to the most important part, and that is affiliate links. When you are posting links on Pinterest, you need to make sure that they are not raw because you can have a risk of blocking your account, but you can post links if you have a landing page. You can simply create a landing page by going on a website called Linktree where you can paste your links. When you paste links on Linktree, copy your Linktree link and paste it on your Pinterest account and on your pins. If you want more videos like these, and subscribe for more.